In the orchard, precision meets patience. The PeK Agrobots fruit picker moves between the trees, guided by sensors. Powered by autonomy, it sees each branch, each color, each shape, recognizing only the fruit that's ready. With every movement, it replaces hours of manual labor with pure efficiency. The arms extend, the grippers turn, and the fruit is gently detached, leaving the tree untouched. Each collected apple continues its journey upward, traveling along the system until it reaches the bin on top, ready for transport. It works tirelessly, row after row, adapting to terrain, density, and light, adjusting in real time to every change in the field. Designed for endurance, engineered for precision, built to harvest smarter, PeK Agrobots, fruit picker, autonomous, sustainable, profitable, the future of harvesting, already in the field.